Hi everyone, my name is Jigyasa and welcome to my channel. In my videos, I will be giving you guys an overview of perfumes that I have tried. So as you can see, today I have Pink Sugar by Aqualina. And since I bought a gift set, this body lotion comes along with the fragrance, and this is a scented body lotion and it smells exactly the same as the perfume itself. And the body lotion is 250 ml in size while the fragrance is 100 ml in size. Now this fragrance is in EDT concentration, and as I am aware and I'm mostly sure about this, that this fragrance only comes in EDT concentration. There is no EDP concentration available for this one. So this is a very popular fragrance in Western countries, and this happened to be popular because it is budget friendly, long lasting sweet fragrance. I myself bought this one for a very reasonable price. So I got this one from a store here in Qatar, and it was on a deal. It was available at more than 50% discount. So I bought this gift set at around 1600 to 1800 Indian rupees, and the actual price must be around 3500 to 4000 Indian rupees. However, I do not have any idea of the price and availability in India. In fact, I suppose this probably is discontinued or what, because even in Qatar, it's very difficult to find this one. I haven't come across any other store than the one from which I bought that had this perfume, Pink Sugar. So the availability is little bit difficult. Although it's, I think it is easily available in the US or in UK, but it's difficult to find it in Middle East or in India. So as you can see in this video, this is how the bottle looks. The bottle is very cute, beautiful, handy and convenient to carry, and also very convenient to hold while spraying. The presentation of the bottle is quite cute and is fairly, I mean, it's justified for the price that you pay. How does this fragrance smell? This smells very sugary, sweet, and it is very high on vanilla, and it has got cotton candy like vibe. So if you guys are interested to know the detailed notes of this scent, then kindly bother yourself to look for the notes on internet, because I will be only giving you a brief description of the scent, of how it smells to me, and the top notes that I can pick. How versatile is this fragrance? This can be worn actually throughout the year, but during summers it is more appropriate to be worn in night time, since it is a very heavy fragrance. And in fact, it is very heavy on sugar, and while wearing this one you have to be quite conscious that you do not give this one more than 4 to 5 sprays, because it's very heavy, and if you overspray this one, this might cause you headache or might give headache to others around you. But gradually after the spray, it settles down, it dries down into much more vanilla like scent, and which is so it becomes quite subtle as compared to the first impression that this gives while spraying this one. People happen to be two-minded on this fragrance. Few like it or love it, then there are others who completely hate it for being sickly sweet to them. I somehow lie in between the lines. I do not like sweet fragrances, but because since I have actually heard about this one a lot, and this was available here and I got it on a good deal, so I just wanted to give this one a try. How well does this fragrance perform? So this has a moderate performance in my opinion. On my skin it stays for around 3 hours, and on my clothes, of course, it stays for a longer time. It stays for 7 to 8 hours. The performance is neither very poor nor very impressive, but I personally was I was little bit disappointed by the performance, and this is because when I came to know about this fragrance, I can only hear and read good things about the performance of this fragrance. So when it didn't come out to be very well on my skin, I mean, I was expecting it to last for at least 5 hours, but that did not happen. So I was little bit disappointed because it didn't work very well for my skin, but for most of the people it works well. But that again wasn't a big concern because it was not very pricey. I got it at a reasonable price, so that is doable. And so yes, so it's fine for the price that you pay. I mean, the performance is fine for the price that we are paying. Projection is also very moderate. It's for around 20 to 30 minutes of spray. If I'm given a choice, I will surely not consider repurchasing this bottle because I have got personal reasons for that. Firstly, because I do not like sweet fragrances. I'm not into very sweet fragrances. Secondly, because it did not work very well. It didn't perform very well on my skin, and I want my perfume to last for a longer time. I do not like to reapply or respray it after every couple of hours. And as you can see the bottle, I am done with more than half of the bottle. And this isn't because I am a fan of this perfume or fragrance. Rather, this is because I need to respray it after 2 hours, after a couple of hours, because it does not stay on my skin. So that's how I have finished more than half of it. Well, having said all that, this is a very beautiful fragrance in general. It is a good option for those who are into sweet fragrances and who are looking for a budget-friendly sweet with a sweet fragrance with moderate performance. And if you do not mind reapplying it, then it's even better. And even there might be a case where it works better on your skin, as it has done for most of the people. It somehow didn't work very well for me, but majorly it has worked well for the people. And this tends to be liked by more of the younger women because it's a very sweet fragrance. Yes, so that is all about this fragrance from my side. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. And if you guys liked watching this video, then please like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.